guys, this is our avocado and kiwi shake. Okay, the ingredients only is caramel condensed milk, half cup milk, and raw avocado and raw kiwi, and 5 pieces cubes ice, and then blend all the way until it become as this soft. So yummy. Look guys, because here in Dubai is so very hot weather, so we should eat or drink something cold to lessen our temperature in our body. So hot.